Michael Skihan, you want to have a staring contest? We'll do it right now. Get it over with, man to man. Right now. 1, 2, 3.
Wow. Absolutely riveting video footage there of the real racer ex-jackass, aka Nebbish Knows. Absolutely top notch. Top notch. Great video.
Well, I thought once I had this mask, might as well use it. And if you don't like this shit, well, I don't give a crap. Because I'm going to say what I'm going to say, and you can't say nothing about it. Ha!
Wow. That's a real nice trailer that you got over there in Indiana. You might think about cleaning it up once in a while, you fat slob. You just might want to go to the store and get some cleaner and clean that shithole trailer. Good God. Yeah, you can also take that mask from Bugs Bunny and shove it right up your ass.
Mike, I am your father. Don't do this, Mike. I am your father.
Trolling at its finest. Wow. You're somebody's father? Who gives a fuck? And like you said, it's nice though you got the shades open and you can actually see what fucking toilet bowl you really live in. Real nice house. Real nice. Your parents must be really impressed, real pleased.
Captain Tom, we really don't need you. Really. It's been fun without you, but hey, you're good lulls, man. I love you, dude. I really do. You're so lousy.
Wow. Impressive trolling on your end, Nebbish, Racer. Wow. You obviously got mental problems, but you go around screaming at everybody else's channel that they have mental problems. It's obvious to see that you're a few donuts short of a police investigation. You know what I'm saying? You're a few nickels short of a dime, something like that. Whatever the doctors prescribe you, he needs to increase the dosage, because you obviously got shit rolling around between your ears.
Hey, Michael Skihan, guess what? These new ash clowns I'm selling, right here, these ash clowns are going through the roof. Going through the roof. So what I'm going to do is I'm expanding the Leaf Dude ash clowns. Yeah, baby, these are going to be the best. I'm going to sell 2 million of these in Canada alone. Yeah.
Wow. New ass clowns you're selling. You must be your own best customer for that. Ass hat. Real good. Real nice. Your videos are very good from what I said. Very riveting. Cutting edge stuff here. Very cutting edge. I'm really impressed. Tough guy.
Hello. As you can see, I got my helmet on right now because I'm declaring war on Tom Searson. Because that little peckerhead is just getting on my fucking nerves. And it's time to mop that jackass up. So, if you guys in the YouTube area, stay clear of Tom Searson. That peckerhead is mine. Hear that, Tom? I'm coming after you.
Wow, declaring war. I bet Tom was really scared shitless of you and your videos. Better run, because the enemy is declaring war. Fucking A. You better bring some big bombs, cause this shit ain't gonna scare anybody, jackass.
Michael Scahan, it's phase 2 of the bullshit arena! Well, not really, but it sounded good at the time. And Michael, let's just talk about this a minute, and maybe we can come to terms on how we disagree about almost everything that you and I do together. We're just not clicking right. And I think most of it is your fault, really, because basically, dude, come on now. What you're doing is spreading gossip and I seen this and that. Oh, let's not forget all these freaking docs around here. This is outrageous. Come on now. Even you have to say this is getting to be a little bit nuts, right? All right? And then all this other crap comes up where you're blackmailing people and you want to be a critic, the best critic there is. Well, basically, you can't handle the critic. No, you can't. You just bullshit here and bullshit there. You just don't get it. Go. You are the lulz. Definitely. You are the lulz.
Fuck it, I don't even know what to say to that.
Michael Scahan, you want to have a staring contest? We'll do it right now. Get it over with, man to man. Right now. Mike, I am your father. Don't do this, Mike. 2 million of these in Canada alone. Yeah! 2 million of these in Canada alone. Yeah! 2 million of these in Canada alone. Yeah! That peckerhead is mine. That peckerhead is mine. That peckerhead is mine. Michael Scahan, it's phase 2 of the bullshit arena! This is getting to be a little bit nuts, right? All right? You just bullshit here and bullshit there.
Wow, you seriously have got some screws loose upstairs, man. I think your best bet is just get off this whole video thing or whatever and pack it up, son, because it is over. It's obvious you need to be locked up somewhere because you're a fucking nut. There's something not right with you. Close up that house, close up that trailer, and get the hell out of Dodge. And stop molesting little boys, you pedo.